Modern life requires different types of work and learning. This video is about some work and work techniques, which may be necessary in your life. So keep watching. Method of construction of road crosswalk. How to pulverize an entire car in a pressure dusting machine.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Sole coloring system of sandals or ladies' heels. Pitch casting road repairing work. The fish food stored in the cold store is being sprinkled through the machine in the pond. Small sitting tools are being made from chunks of wood. When the plowing machine got stuck in the mud, it was rescued by tying wood to the tire. Method of making iron nut mounting holes. Bicycle wrestling between round wheels. A spirit boat stands in the riverbed with the weight of an iron sickle. Tricks to get paper off the car. Tricks to fix broken refrigerator drawers. Cropping steel cutting machine. Modern technique of private car coloring.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Bicycle tire cleaning method. Steel box cleaning by laser. Tree stump lifting technique with crane. Making plastic fans. Car cleaning with buller machine. Wood cutting system. Trying to make a motorcycle by installing an engine on a bicycle. Method of making round mirror by cutting glass. Measured view of car handle placement. How trenches are cut in the land by excavator machines. Glass breaking scene. Bucket vegetable blender. Iron measuring range. Fence made by iron net. Techniques for growing round potatoes in a tub on the roof of the house. Wood finishing machine. Drilling wood by hand power machine. How the holes in the water pipes are connected.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Modern method of making paper bags. A method of digging holes in the ground by means of hydraulic machines. Techniques for nailing wood furniture. Methods of collecting cotton from the land. Planting seedlings in soil through belchaw. The strength of bicycle chain bearings is tested by mobile phone. Hair cutting technique with chapati in a strange technique. Making broken holes in the wall. Thanks for watching. Then now, like, subscribe to the video and press the bell button to select all, so that you get notifications when such videos are released in the future. And if you like the video, like it and stay tuned.